one.
Most people put chains on their tires.
One.
He really put chains on his tires. Donnie right here is a sign line guy. He'll make the call if they start to stare or if they let go.